Hello everyone, it's Laurel here from Forever Purple Creations, and I know I'm behind, but I think the mail's behind, and then I work late, so I want to get this out really quick before we get together and make it on Rosie's channel Tuesday night as soon as I get home from work. I'm hoping right around 6:30 CST. She'll probably already have the event created. I'm not sure, so I will we'll try and let you know as soon as possible. So this is the stocking kit. Um, I really love this picture on here, and I think that's a great idea, the way they did that. And I might have to find a picture tonight to put on mine first before we put it together, but that looks really cool, the way they did that on there. So let's open it up and see the stocking. And then, yes, I took everything out of the bag already. And I'll get to the card next, but I just want to show you guys the stocking. So that is the stocking, and it's fairly large, so it should be a lot of fun to decorate. It is made out of canvas. I like that. I like that it's all raw like that, so this is going to be a lot of fun to work with. So that is the stocking, and I'm going to open the card next just because I want you guys to see the pretty card, and I know that Rosie made this beautiful card. And it says, "May you have a Merry Christmas." Isn't that beautiful? And she's got stickles all over the front of the picture. Can you guys see that? Let's see. There you go. There you go. I think it's so pretty, and I love this. It's like a very fine, it's almost like the glitter paper, but it's super fine and really smooth. And then it's just very sweet, wishing from her family to ours a blessed holiday season. And she's blessed to have me as a wonderful friend like me. And she appreciates our friendship, and she thanks me for being there for her to help. And love always and blessings from your friend, Sis Rosie. Very beautiful, Rosie. Thank you. So that's going to go with my cards because I keep all my cards. And then, of course, in a Rosie Posie kits in a little bag. So we're going to take it out. Let's see what we have here. Oh boy. So we have, look at this beautiful image. Oh, and there's one on the back too. So one for the front of the stocking and one for the back, or one above the other one, however you choose to do it. It could be done like this, which is really pretty, but that is a gorgeous, gorgeous image. I love that. And she has done it on the fabric paper, which is awesome, so you can put batting behind it. That is beautiful. Love that image, and I love that Merry Christmas. See, I like that kind of red. Very pretty. And then she gives you a fairly large piece of this lace. I can't call it trim. It's like a lace panel with the beautiful flowers all over it. That is beautiful. And then look at this. You get a bag of some gorgeous ribbons. I don't want to open them because I can never get them back in the way they go. Let me see here. She's got them tied together, so I should be able to open it. There you go. So you have this beautiful, it's like a silver gray, and this gorgeous cream, and this beautiful white. So you can make some bows or some flowers or however you want to use it. And I like the way she's got it wrapped with the little red stretchy ribbon. These are beautiful ribbons. And then we have a little bag of embellishments. Get it out. Oh boy. So we've got sequins in here and some flat back pearls. And oh, look at that little metal plate piece. Isn't that pretty? Can you see that? Aww. And then there's snowflakes and stars and a bunch of flat back pearls. And then, oh, and then look at that piece. That's beautiful. I love that. And then a moon charm, and I'm dropping all the sequins, sorry. And a little pink flower with a pearl flower center, and a little cream one with a bead center. And all my sequins and flatback pearls are going all over, so we're going to pick those back up. Put them back in my hand. So these can be used however you want on your stocking. Let's see if I can get them back in there without making it go all over. Sequins has a mind of its own sometimes that likes to jump all over the place. So there we go. I think I got it all. Yep. Okay, and then we have a piece of this gorgeous stuff. I love this stuff. I just think it's so pretty with the iridescent sequence, and you can see it's like a pink and a yellow and a green and a blue. As you turn it, it kind of changes colors. So that, and then you have this beautiful applique, and it is rose, very soft and shiny. And then you have some of these doily things that I love. I don't call them spiders because I don't like spiders, but I just like the way they're like fringy like that. These are really cool because you can make flowers out of them, decorate the centers and stuff, or use them on top of another piece, you know, like in a corner, and add a flower onto it. And then you get this doily, which is gorgeous, and this doily, beautiful. And then one of these chiffon flowers in white, or cream, I should say. And then a piece of this gorgeous ruffled lace, yeah, I would call it lace. Love that pattern on there, and I love the scalloped. So that could go around your stocking, around the top. And then, oh, look at the beautiful dangle. Love that. Isn't that pretty? Let's see if I can show you. There you go. That is really pretty. Love that. You can cut these out, or you can use the whole piece, and you can use that little thing. That, you know, you just got to use your imagination. And then we have another. Oh, this one's really pretty. Look at that. This is all beaded in the center. Beaded flowers across here. That's awesome that someone took the time to do that. You know, I could sit and do this because I have about 1 million of these beads. It is just very time consuming, but that is awesome the way they did that. I love that. That is really pretty. Let's see if I can hold it up and show you. There we go. So that can go on there. Well, all of this is going to go on there. Ooh, and then look at this one. This is a white, it's not really a ruffle. I call this like a box pleat or a gathered pleat because it's on both sides, and then it's got this beautiful rhinestone trim running through the center of it. It's just really pretty. I like that. That is really pretty. Love that. It's so dainty. That is just really pretty. And then we have this one. This is one of my favorites. I love this one. And it's got the pearl strand running through it one way, and then the organza running through it another way. And it just makes that really pretty design. And this can be wrapped around, or, you know, however you want to use it. I'm sure everybody will come up with something very cool. And then we have this piece, which I really like. I love sequins. And it's stretchy. That is cool. It's really pretty. I love the two-tone like that, where it changes, well, actually it changes 3 colors. So that is really pretty. So you get a piece of that. And then look at, of course, I got a piece of purple because I will be putting lots of purple on mine. So this is a nice gathered. See, this is almost like a box pleat. But that is really pretty. I love that. That's gorgeous. And of course, that's going on mine because mine is going to have purple on it. You guys know me. And then there's this beautiful piece. Love this. Look at that. So you could cut this off. You could cut these out. You can use it all as one. But isn't that beautiful? And it's so soft and so tiny. This is almost like that. It's that crochet, but it looks like it's done with those sticks where they move it and put the pins in. I'm not sure what it's called. But that is really pretty. Love that. And then there's this one. Again, you can cut this apart. You could cut this top off. You could cut these out. You could cut these out, and then you could just use these, or you could use the whole piece. So again, it's very versatile. You can use it many different ways. That's beautiful. And these are both in a like a light beige. And then there is this beautiful lace. I'm going to call this, you can't call it fabric. I don't know how to describe this, but it's like a panel. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So you could cut these out. You could cut these out. Or you can use it like this and just wrap it around your stocking, however you want to use it. But that is really pretty. You could layer them up. You know, put these little ones on this big one and put some pearls in there. That is really pretty. So you get that one. And then you get this gorgeous applique piece. It looks like a wedding applique. And it's got this stuff on the back, so I'm guessing. Oh, and it's all sewn, so if you cut this apart, you should be pretty safe. If not, just take your glue and run it. If you want to cut these out, just run your glue where you want to cut so that the threads don't come apart on the rest of it and the beads don't come off. But I think, I can't really tell here. Hold on, let me see. I'm trying to see how it's put together. Yeah, just, I would glue it. Like if you don't want the netting on it, you can clip the netting off. Or clip around it, and then I would glue all in between, you know, where the different appliques are if you want to cut them out, like here and here and here, so that these beads don't come flying off. So that's beautiful. So that will be going on there as well, and I'm guessing I will be cutting mine apart, so that'll be something for me to play with. So there you go. So that is your gorgeous stocking kit. And the beautiful canvas stocking. Plenty of room to decorate and work with, and we know we all like to add some of our own stuff to it, and I'm sure I will be adding a bunch to mine, because somehow I got to bring purple into the stocking, even though there's no purple in that image. We shall find a way, or maybe we'll save the purple and do a separate stocking, because I don't see purple go, well, I mean, purple and green go well together, but we'll see what we can do here. So that is the stocking kit, and we will be on Rosie's channel at 7 p.m. December 4th, which is Tuesday. So this will probably get uploaded on Tuesday, so you're probably going to see it tomorrow early afternoon before we go on tomorrow night. I'm sorry, my life is just a little bit cray-cray. So there you go. So that is the beautiful kit from Miss Rosie Posie, and I believe she still has a few of them available. So if you would like to purchase one, you can get in touch with me, or you can get in touch with Rosie. She is on Facebook, so just let us know. And I hope you all enjoyed this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed. I'm always live on Friday nights, and you can come over and join all of us. We all get together and chat and craft and have some fun. So have a great evening. I will see you all soon. Bye for now.